How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Hannah.
Where are you from?
I am from France.
Where do you live?
I live in Paris.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
What do you do?
I am a student.
What about you?
I work at the hospital.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have an older sister.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling.
What is your favorite food?
I love sushi.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read books and watch movies.
What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy classical music.
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I can speak Japanese and English.
What is your favorite season?
I like summer.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like playing tennis.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play soccer.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Inception.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I like to cook Italian food.
Do you have any hobbies?
I enjoy playing guitar and cycling.
Do you like to play video games?
Yes, I do.
What is your dream job?
I want to be a scientist.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
Do you like reading newspapers?
Sometimes I read the news online.
Have you ever been to another country?
Yes, I have visited Italy and Spain.
Have you traveled abroad?
Yes, I have been to the United States and Canada.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I like to relax at home or visit friends.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping for clothes.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I am a morning person.
What is your favorite holiday?
I love New Year's Day.
Do you like to exercise?
Yes, I like to run in the park.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I enjoy dancing.
Do you like watching TV shows?
Yes, I like watching comedies.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
What is your favorite drink?
I love apples.
Do you like to go to the beach?
Yes, I enjoy going to the beach.
Do you enjoy cooking for others?
Yes, I like cooking for my family.
Do you like learning new things?
Yes, I love learning new things.
Do you like art?
Yes, I enjoy visiting art museums.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar and piano.
What is your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is the rose.
Do you like to watch movies at home or in the cinema?
I enjoy going to the cinema.
Do you like gardening?
Yes, I grow vegetables in my garden.
What is your favorite type of weather?
I like sunny weather.
What about you?
I enjoy rainy days.
Do you like to go to concerts?
Yes, I enjoy going to concerts.
Do you like working in a team or alone?
I prefer working in a team.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I enjoy spicy dishes.
What is your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is ice cream.
What's yours?
I love chocolate cake.
Do you like to swim?
Yes, I love swimming in the sea.
Do you like to read before bed?
I read every night.
Do you like trying new foods?
Yes, I love trying new dishes.
Do you prefer hot or cold drinks?
I like cold drinks.
Do you enjoy going to the theater?
Yes, I enjoy theater performances.
Do you like surprises?
Yes, I think surprises are fun.
Do you like to wake up early or sleep in?
I like to wake up early.
Do you like to travel by plane?
Yes, I like traveling by plane.
Do you like to write?
Yes, I enjoy writing stories.
Do you like to wear casual or formal clothes?
I prefer formal clothes.
Do you like fast food?
Sometimes I do.
Do you like to go camping?
Yes, I enjoy camping in the summer.
What is your favorite day of the week?
I like Friday the most.
Do you like to ride bicycles?
Yes, I ride my bike every weekend.
Do you like to read poems?
Yes, I enjoy poetry.
Do you like to take pictures?
Yes, I love photography. I also enjoy capturing moments with my camera.
Do you like to visit zoos?
Yes, I enjoy seeing the animals.
Do you like to go fishing?
Yes, I enjoy fishing with my family.
Who do you want to talk to?
I want to talk to Lisa.
What do you want to say to Lisa?
I want to tell her something.
When will she come?
She will come in 10 minutes.
Are you afraid?
No, I am not afraid.
How is she?
She is pretty.
How much are they earning?
They are earning $1.10 an hour.
How much money do you make?
I make $1.15 per hour.
Are you busy?
Yes, I have a lot of things to do.
What is today's date?
Today is June 1st.
How tall are you?
I am 6 feet tall.
When are you leaving?
I am leaving tomorrow.
Where is the pharmacy?
The pharmacy is near the supermarket.
Where would you like to go?
I would like to go shopping.
When do you get off work?
I get off work at 1 p.m.
Did you exercise today?
Yes, I had a workout session.
How much do you weigh?
I weigh 150 pounds.
Do you know where he lives?
Yes, he lives in Chicago.
Do you know where he went?
I think he has gone to lunch.
Is Lisa from Toronto?
No, she's American.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the library.
Is there anything good on TV tonight?
Yes, there's a movie at 8 o'clock.
Did you sleep well last night?
No, I didn't sleep very well.
Where is he?
I'm sorry, I don't know.
Are your parents at home?
No, they're out.
Where are my keys?
I don't know, they were on the table.
How high is the fence?
About 5 feet high.
Is it raining?
No, not right now.
Should I go to the store?
No, I'll go.
Where's Alex?
He's taking a shower.
Do you play sports?
No, I used to swim every day though.
Have you written him yet?
Yes, and he still hasn't replied.
Are you coming with me?
No, I don't think so. I'm staying here.
What's your favorite website?
I think it's probably youtube.com.
Where's Lisa?
She's gone to bed.
Was Lisa busy when you went to see her?
Yes, she was studying.
How are you going to get home tonight?
I'm not sure. I might take the bus.
Where do you go shopping?
Boutiques in my neighborhood.
Is there a bank near here?
Yes, at the end of the block.
Where's Liam at work yesterday?
I don't know.
What did he say?
I don't know. I wasn't listening.